guys, welcome to my channel. As promised, here is my snow video. You will see some of the stuff that I have to do after a heavy snow falls or when there is a snowstorm. Please give the video a thumbs up, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop another video or go live. Thanks for coming. And as you can see, guys, the roadway is still full of snow. It haven't cleared as yet, but as you go along the way, you will see that some parts are cleared and some, yeah. And now, after having the first snowstorm being in for about 3 days, we are having the second snowstorm. And as you can see, I'm clearing the snow from my doorway to the walkway. And as you can see in the background, the snow plow truck is clearing the snow from the driveway so that people can park their car without any hindrances of the snow. A lot of snow everywhere. Some of the cars are even covered over with snow. This is a lot of snow, but you ain't see nothing yet. Look at that car. It's covered with snow. Wow. Then straight after snowstorm 2, then came snowstorm 3 with a mighty shower of snow. 12 inches of snow, guys. Man. Like outside was white. We couldn't see anything outside and we had to clean up. We had to clean up, just clean up. And I had to go on the road, and the road was like snowed right over. Even when they moved the snow. And here am I, like I'm walking and trying to assess the damages that have been done by the snow. You know, I'm just trying to walk the road, see what happened here, what happened there. And, you know, I check around and everybody's okay. But I was looking for a squirrel, but I didn't see any. Maybe they have gone to hide too much snow for them. They can't even come out. And you know, they always come out to look for food, but I ain't see any. I ain't see any squirrel at this time. See, look at that, mountains and moles of snow. A lot of snow, guys. Hi guys, I'm your snow reporter, Miss Wendy's HGTV. Thank you for tuning in. Guys, there's a lot of snow, sea and sea of snow. A lot of snow everywhere. And if you come to America or anywhere you see the snow, don't think it's a sea. Do not jump into it and swim. Do not be like this man. You see this man? He went from his hotel, and when he saw the snow, he jumped into it. See? And he's having a good time because he thinks it's a sea. I had to do a double take on this one. This guy is really, really crazy. Crazy. And as you see, guys, I'm trying to get this car clean off. And you know, whenever you have a snowstorm or after any heavy snowfall, you have to clean off your car or else more will fall and it will accumulate more because you know after heavy snowfall you want to go on the road to go get something because sometimes you are coop up in the house for 2 to 3 days, you know, depending on how long the snow fall. Then you have to go on the road to get some supply of water, drinking water, you know, more food supply, get gas and all that. So you just have to keep moving. And here am I going out on the road, you know, but they're still cleaning the road. They're still clearing the road after the heavy snowfall. This is about 12 inches of snow, guys. 12 inches, or it could be more. But we have the grader clearing the road. And look at this, guys, the snow is started again. There's another storm coming, and look at the snow. It's coming down. Wow. And because the snowstorm is coming a fourth time, I'm trying to go on the road to get some more supplies. And I like driving through, especially this area. I love it. I love the road, and I'm trying to get some. I love the snow, and you know it's a beautiful thing. But do not swim in the snow. It's not a sea. It may look like sea and sea of snow, but it's not a sea. Okay, so here am I going to the grocery store, going to get some food, and then heading back home. I ensure that I check my gas limit, my level, to see if I have enough. So I'm okay with gas for now. So I'm gonna be heading home. Okay. So see, as I'm going home, flowers are still coming down, you know, because snow is coming. Thank you guys for watching the video with me, and for those who will be watching the replay, thank you so much, and God bless you all. Stay safe. Safe travel on the road wherever you are. Good night, good morning, good afternoon. Stay tuned for another uploads of other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you.